One of the most significant reasons why luxury electric cars are gaining popularity is their commitment to sustainability. Here's how these vehicles are contributing to a greener future. Zero emissions. Traditional gasoline-powered vehicles emit carbon dioxide and other pollutants that harm the environment. In contrast, luxury electric cars produce zero emissions during operation, helping reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are much more energy efficient than internal combustion engines. Luxury electric vehicles convert a higher percentage of the energy from their batteries into motion, meaning they use less energy per mile and offer greater fuel economy than gasoline cars. Sustainable manufacturing. Some luxury electric car manufacturers, like Tesla and Lucid Motors, are incorporating sustainable materials in their vehicles. This includes using recycled materials for car interiors and sustainable sourcing for battery components, further reducing their carbon footprint. Charging infrastructure. As demand for electric cars grows, the development of charging stations continues to expand. Luxury automakers are investing in the growth of fast charging networks to make electric vehicles more convenient for everyday use, further promoting their eco-friendly credentials. Luxury electric cars are driving the transition to a greener future with zero emissions, energy efficiency, and sustainable manufacturing practices.